Assalamu alaikum. We are talking about Google Console. Basically, Google Console is the platform that Google provides for Google Play and Android developers to publish and monitor their apps' performance in the Google Play Store. Is there a Google Console app? So yeah, the Cloud Console mobile app gives you a convenient way to discover, understand and respond to production issues, monitor and make changes to Google Cloud Platform resources from your iOS and Android devices. How do I use Google Console on my phone? First, enable developer mode by going to settings, about phone, then tap to build number 7 times. Enable USB debugging from the developer options. On your desktop, open DV tools. Click on more icon, then more tools, remote devices. Check on discover USB devices option. Open Chrome on your phone. How do I become a Google developer? So the following steps should be followed to become a Google developer. Step 1, check your abilities, apply for the exam, give the online interview. Next is what is Developer Console. So the Developer Console is an integrated development environment with a collection of tools you can use to create, debug and test applications in your Salesforce Original. How do I publish a game on Google Play? Opening the publishing section of your game in the Google Play console, grow, play, game services, setup and management, next publishing, then follow the instructions on that screen to publish your game. Can iPhone use Google Cloud? You can use Google Drive to backup on content on your iPhone and iCloud account. Photos will back up to Google Photos. Contacts will back up to Google Contacts. How do I use F12 on my phone? The following steps are followed. Press F12 to start DV tools on the desktop browser. Click on the toggle device for bar option. Now from the available options, choose an Android device. Once the user selects a specific Android device, the mobile version of the desired website starts. Does Google teach coding? Google Developers Training is a set of online coding courses created by Google engineers. Whether you are new to programming or an experienced developer, learn new skills to advance your career. What is Browser Console? The Browser Console is like the web console but applied to the whole browser rather than a single content tab. So it logs the same sorts of information as the web console: network requests, JavaScript, CSS and security errors and warnings. So the next is how do I use console in Chrome. To open the developer console window on Chrome, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+J on Windows or Ctrl+Option+J on Mac. Alternatively, you can use the Chrome menu in the browser window, select the option more tools and then select developer tools.